In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Chime account under 18. So unfortunately, this process isn't as straightforward as some other platforms out there because Chime requires all members to be at least 18 years old or a US citizen. So one option that you have is have an adult create a Chime account and then have you manage it. So you could use a trusted adult, for example, like a parent or an older sibling or someone who is above the age of 18, and basically they would need to make the Chime account and they would give you the login credentials. So you could basically make transactions and you can get paid and stuff like that, obviously using the account of someone who's over the age of 18. So again, I recommend using someone like a parent, for example, or just family members in general. So you want to make sure you pick someone who is trustworthy, someone who's going to pay you out and stuff like that, and someone who's going to give you access to the account, which is why I strongly suggest getting the help of a parent or a guardian. But honestly, if that's not an option for you, what I personally recommend that you guys do is use an alternative. Now, there's many other alternatives out there, such as Venmo. Venmo is a great example, and Cash App as well. And these basically allow you to take payments under the age of 18, especially Venmo. Venmo is definitely the best one out there. With Venmo, you're actually able to get a teen debit card. So even if you're under the age of 18, you are still able to get a debit card, which you can then use. You can receive money and stuff like that, and that is incredibly helpful. There's also Fidelity Youth. Now, Fidelity is another finance platform over here, and it offers a no-fee debit card for teens ages 13 to 17 with parental oversight and no monthly fees or minimum. So honestly, Chime is a pretty good platform, but it is not the best one out there. So please go ahead and try to look for other alternatives like Fidelity, Venmo, Cash App, etc., PayPal even. So don't let age be a constraint, guys, and trust me, there are other ways to accept payments if you're under the age of 18. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.